I gotta use the bathroom. I look black in this light. What's up, YouTube? Alright, y'all. So today, I got my ex-boyfriend, my girlfriend right here, and we've been doing the I don't know if y'all know the challenge, but the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Right here. I got my handcuffs right here. If I can get it out. Don't ask me why this is on here. Don't ask me why I have handcuffs, but I do. Just know I do. We've been doing this challenge with it. I don't know. I'm gonna try to go in some stores and see. Oh, whoa! You seen that? That just almost failed. That's what I'm talking about. I need a new tripod. I just got this, but I need a new one already. All right, come here, Linda. If y'all wonder what her name was, just Linda. I don't know why some of y'all be asking. But hey, we're starting right here.
Wait, what if I get hot?
I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna lock on right here too. And I have no idea where the keys are, so we kind of like, you know what I'm saying? We kind of screwed. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go back inside.
But okay,
bro,
if you're gonna do that, don't.
I gotta
so
use
fast.
the bathroom. Oh, hold on! You left my car open. Like, can you please go shut it?
Well, I mean, we have to go close it.
Well, this kind of hurt. I'm not even gonna lie. It does not feel comfortable.
I have tiny wrists. I don't care.
What are you doing? Oh.
My phone.
Oh my God.
What do you think I was doing?
I don't know. Why y'all yelling?
Handcuff challenge!
What?
I can't find the video!
Bro, hey! I can't even hear anything at all that's going on. What?
They're taller than her!
Hey, Derek is taller, you know, right? You know what I'm saying? Why are you punching me, Moses?
Why y'all gotta be locked together if y'all do it for 24 hours?
Because we gotta be locked together for 24 hours, that's why. I don't know. Well, why is he punching me?
But that's
Well,
not
why does
her.
this kid punching me? Who are you? Who is this?
That's Key.
Yeah, we handcuffed together for the rest of our lives.
Unless y'all find the key.
I don't
Can
know
I
where the
keep
key
the
is.
key with me until tomorrow?
Why?
To show that it's 24 hours. How you gonna do that with me?
Easy. You come live with me for 24 hours.
I live you for 24 hours.
And I can bring my video game and you can watch that for 24 hours.
I don't know where you was going with that, man. Talking about get a hotel. What are you talking about? Huh?
Stop the show. I'm kidding.
You can't touch the leg, man. Hey, Taylor, chill out.
What? I know how to take it off.
No, I'm about to go pee.
No,
I got it.
I see how to take it off.
I gotta go.
Break it.
You have to come with me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, stop. Stop.
Break it.
She gonna pee your drawers and you gonna
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Now how you gonna get away from her?
I have to use the bathroom. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh.
So imagine if
Like what?
Sharif gotta take a doodle.
What are you talking about, BJ?
Oh,
Hey, stop. That hurts. What happened to your hand?
I burned myself, I told you.
Did you?
oil
You know, I
splash.
don't listen to you.
Imagine if Sharif gotta go take a doodle and then she gotta go in the bathroom with him. You gonna be like,
I burned myself. How? You stepped on my foot. What are you doing? You got edges.
you just got diarrhea too.
Oh, don't. No. You do got diarrhea. One day. He got edges.
No, one day, Derek. One day, Derek, he had farted, then he had pooped on himself.
I remember that. That was in my room, bro. That was in my room. I swear to God. He farted, right? He pooped on himself in my room. In my room. 2 times. It happened the second time. But this man was like, what, 9? Oh, no, 10, right? 9, 10, something like that.
I was 10.
Oh, 11.
like a 500-pound black man.
Oh wow, that
And
is
I
so
told him
awesome.
his nose looked like a swollen banana, and he told the teacher on me.
I'm so black, you can't even see me.
Looked like a swollen banana.
You said what?
I said,
This still feel uncomfortable.
I told him,
And I'm about to pee on myself.
you gotta pee outside. So how are you gonna drive?
Try to be nice because I know you when you go to school, but you go still have all the hours, you know.
Go ahead, take it off. I gotta film you something.
Where are you? Moses!
She's kind of hot, so you trying to take it
Get your
off.
socks
Go ahead.
down here.
I don't know what you gonna do. Like,
Now.
you gotta
Take
do
them
something.
upstairs and take my shoes upstairs. And go put your shirt on. You trying to take your shirt
I'm
off?
thinking of a
Take
way,
my
but.
shoe.
Oh yeah, I can't hold it anymore. I gotta go use the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? I can't do it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta come with me, you know. Bathroom. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Nah, y'all thought, you know what I'm saying? I got y'all. That was the whole thing. This camera look good. It's beautiful, ain't it? Alright, we have run into a problem. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how I'm gonna. I seen that. But I don't know how you're gonna get to that passenger side. You have to like crawl over.
Why don't you crawl over?
Why would I crawl over?
Why would I?
Because you're little.
You're little too.
But you're littler.
Well, I guess I'll
Little. Huh?
Nothing.
Okay, when I replay this video, I will see exactly what you said.
Break up with me again.
Whoa. Are you kind of stuck there?
That was not fun.
I don't know. We gotta go to the store now. Alright, so we ran into a little problem right here. She's trying to take her hair down. Go ahead, show them how it's done.
I just don't know how I'm gonna put it back up.
I'm gonna hold your wrist, and then we can get this together, okay? I'm gonna hold your wrist like this. You know what I'm saying? Because if I got it like this, then you don't know what to do. What the heck? Wait.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Okay.
Are you okay?
Okay. All right. Perfect. There you go. Is that better?
Yeah.
Is it working?
No.
The magic working?
No. I'm still struggling.
What's funny?
Your face.
Whoa.
Okay.
That is a imposter. I don't know how I'm supposed to drive with this, you know what I'm saying? Because you're pretty distracting.
You've driven with your legs up. Like that.
So I'm gonna drive like.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. That's cool, right? And then I'm gonna drive like. But now I gotta hold the camera like. I guess it's not a good idea to hold the camera while I'm driving, you know, so let me just put y'all away, and then when we get to the store, we going ooh, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What does that mean?
So we kind of ran into a problem, so I kind of let my top up, you know what I'm saying? And this is so uncomfortable. I kind of want to take it off already. Oh my God! And he just popped out of nowhere. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I look bald from this angle.
Your future.
Well, you're not gonna be there to see it, so.
Thank God.
So yeah, this is real comfortable, and I don't know what the heck I'm supposed to do because I have to crawl out of there because this car is coming this way, so I can't. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Woo, 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 woo. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Woo, 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 woo. You know what I'm saying? All right, go ahead, get out. I'm probably finna get a piercing. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know if I want to get it or not, but I know I want to get it, but I don't know. Do you know?
Opening that door alone was a challenge.
Alright, come on. I gotta shut my door. Your back is exposed. You can't do that, man. You know what I'm saying? That is. Oh, okay. So, I don't know. I'm supposed to get a. Okay, let me let my seat back a little bit. You know. Why are you just bending over like that?
Because it's uncomfortable.
I think you make a joke like,
I can bend over wherever I want.
hold on. Ow! Oh, I feel comfortable. No.
That was funny. You look funny.
Ugh.
Okay, ow.
Oh. Oh,
Okay, wait.
I could have sworn I saw the light. Oh,
God.
free. Can you grab my phone for me?
What?
My ex. I left my wallet like over there. So he like crawled. Look, hold on. Do the technique. Look, we hold her hand like
okay,
this.
wait. Do the technique in a more comfortable position. Okay, there.
Okay, there you go. I'm gonna hold her hand. Oh, there we go.
Almost fell.
She's trying to steal my money. Well, what are you doing? Do you know what you're laughing at? What are you laughing at?
I have one of these with my little sister.
You have a sister? Well, you never told me, huh?
We weren't that close.
Wow, that's how it is. She said we was never that close. Okay.
What about came in your car one day with a bunch of these?
Came in my car? Didn't that happen already? Oh. First time get a piercing. I'm gonna get a nose piercing here, in my
Stop
mouth,
copying me.
my neck.
He's getting
Oh,
his
you're
belly
fine.
button next.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's next.
I won't be surprised when he comes to my house like that.
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm like, look.
Look at mine.
I remember I would be like, I'll never get a piercing. I don't know why. It was just like, I'll never get a piercing.
Did you want me to count down for you? Or did you want me to kind of
Nah,
surprise
you
you?
go ahead, just go ahead and do it.
Okay. Just stay nice and still and just look straight ahead.
Don't cry.
You're halfway done.
Wow, what a big boy.
Alright. And then since you're handcuffed, I'm just going to clean them for you. So it'll be a little bit harder for you. I'm not twisting them right now because it's so fresh. We'll go ahead and start that tonight, probably around dinner time or right before you go to bed, depending on your bedtime. No, you have a bedtime, but
Yeah.
Those kids
like,
all
whenever
just
you go to
laughed.
bed.
Oh, alright.
They look nice.
Yeah, they look really good.
Ooh. I didn't know she was putting it in. I thought she was like poking the hole and then has to put it in. That's
Oh
what I
no,
thought.
it's all done at once.
Alright.
Alright, can you take your camera because it's heavy? My hand
No.
is fragile.
Of course not. Just run out, okay? Alright, y'all. I just got the piercing. You know what I'm saying? Ooh.
Ooh.
Bedazzled. You know, but we
It was bedazzled your
you know,
ears.
this escalator going up and down.
And let everybody know.
Oh, damn, just comfy. Oh. Just gotta let everybody know.
Here, picture that. That's cool. Really. She said she ain't playing. If you don't know, take a look. You better get some business, right? I ain't as fast as you are with this stuff. Let's see.
Are you trying to get to the camera?
Yeah, I finally found it. I'm gonna show you that cuff in there. Hold it up a little bit. There you go. Oh, yeah. No,
Well, move your hand down.
right, yeah, there you go. That is so cool. You serious, huh?
Yeah.
A long time ago, when I was probably about around your all's age, I had a girlfriend. I said, buy me, I want a watch. What do you want? It's a gift. I said, buy me a watch. And back then, it was cool to have your name on it. So I said, yeah, and put my name on it. So she gave it to me, and I looked, it had her name right there. My name was on the bottom. So everywhere I went, it had her name. They're like, I know her.
Yeah, you know what
That's what that reminded me of.
Yeah.
So she put the handcuff. She put like,
Put it on me.
he's taken. You know, because all the girls in school, they knew who she was. They see
Yeah,
it.
they see it. They see her name. Like, oh,
Yeah.
I gotta stop.
So I like that. You pretty smart.
I know, right?
Yeah, that is so. I love it.
Alright. You can't do this. You're my ex. I guess.
Sweet.
Maybe I can do this. Like, hold your hand.
I don't want you to hold my hand. You're my ex.
Dang. Look, she eating good. Y'all hit me up. You know what I'm saying? You want to eat good like that? Nah. Hey, you're my ex.
Shut the fuck up.
Chill out. I'm saying so. Alright, y'all. So it is nighttime right now. I got my flash on my phone. You know what I'm saying? But she gotta go to work, so we can't. You know what I'm saying? We can't finish this challenge for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all smash the like button, we will finish this challenge. I'll spend the night at her house, or she spend the night at my house. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna finish this challenge for y'all. But yeah. Otherwise, this is where you finna end it off at. All right. Hope y'all love this video, cause I know y'all love her. You know what I'm saying? They be asking for you, like I said, Linda. They be asking for you. Y'all been wondering. I don't know why. So that's my ex, so we're not even friends no more. But I'm just, you know what I'm saying. But hey, anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm out. Anything you wanna, just anything you wanna say?
Hit me up.
What?